How to sync and find contacts on LinkedIn. Let's get started. Launch your LinkedIn app. Now, at the top left corner, you're going to find the profile icon. Click on that. Navigate to the option settings. Now, head over to the option account preferences. Scroll down. Here, you're going to find the option of syncing options. Under that, you'll find the option of sync contacts. Click on that. Now, click on the option manage all sync sources. As I have already synced my contact to the LinkedIn, it is showing this kind of option. Now head over to the option My Network. Click on the option Manage My Network. Here you're gonna find the list of the option. Under this list, you will also find the option of contact. Clicking on that, you will get different option. You are able to add phone contact, uploaded contact, Google, and other sources. You just have to click on any of that option, and with that, your contact will be synced to the LinkedIn. So, this way, you can easily sync and find contacts on LinkedIn. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.